Hey, ever found yourself in that awkward moment of splitting a bill with friends, or needing to chip in for a group gift, and thought, ugh, there has to be an easier way than chasing everyone down for cash? If that sounds familiar, you've probably heard of Venmo. It's that app with the playful interface and emoji-filled payment descriptions that's become synonymous with sending money to people you know. But as we cruise into 2025, a crucial question pops up: is Venmo really safe to use? That's what we're diving deep into today. We're not just going to give you a simple yes or no. Instead, we're going to unpack the layers of security, explore the potential pitfalls, and give you the knowledge you need to make an informed decision about whether Venmo fits into your digital life in 2025. Think about it. We entrust these apps with our financial information, linking them directly to our bank accounts or credit cards. In an increasingly digital world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, the safety of these platforms isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. So, let's peel back the curtain and see what's what with Venmo's security in the current landscape. To understand Venmo's safety in 2025, we first need to look at the measures the platform itself has in place. Venmo, owned by PayPal, benefits from the security infrastructure and experience of its parent company. This means they employ a range of technologies and protocols designed to protect your data and your money. One of the fundamental aspects of Venmo's security is encryption. When you send or receive money, the information transmitted is scrambled, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to intercept and understand it. This encryption applies to the data exchanged between your device and Venmo's servers. Beyond encryption, Venmo utilizes multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Typically, MFA involves requiring a second form of verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone number whenever you log in from a new device. Enabling MFA is a crucial step for any Venmo user looking to enhance their account security. Venmo also employs fraud detection systems that work in the background to identify and flag suspicious activity. These systems analyze patterns of transactions and user behavior to detect anomalies that might indicate fraudulent use. While not foolproof, these systems act as an important line of defense. Furthermore, Venmo offers security features that users can control. For instance, you can set up a PIN or biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, to access the app on your device. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone were to get hold of your phone. It's also worth noting that Venmo adheres to various regulatory requirements and industry best practices related to data protection and financial security. This includes compliance with standards like the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, if you link a debit or credit card. However, even with these security measures in place, it's crucial to understand that no digital platform is entirely immune to risks. The effectiveness of these measures also relies heavily on user behavior. Now, let's talk about where things can get a little less secure, the user side of the equation. Often, the biggest vulnerabilities in any online platform aren't with the platform itself, but with how users interact with it. One significant risk associated with Venmo is the social nature of the app. The public feed, while designed for sharing payment details with friends, minus the actual amount, can inadvertently reveal information that could be used by malicious actors. For example, consistently paying the same person for rent might give away information about your living situation. While you can set your payments to private, many users either forget or choose not to, creating a potential privacy risk. Another area of concern is phishing and social engineering attacks. Scammers are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their attempts to trick users into revealing their login credentials or sending them money. These attacks can come in the form of emails, text messages, or even direct messages through social media platforms that impersonate Venmo or someone you know. It's crucial to be extremely cautious about any unsolicited communication asking for your personal information or requesting you to send money. Always verify the legitimacy of such requests through official channels. Account takeovers are another potential risk. If a cybercriminal manages to obtain your login credentials, they could gain access to your Venmo account and potentially drain your funds or link their own financial accounts. This is why using strong, unique passwords and enabling multi-factor authentication are so important. Furthermore, the speed and ease of transactions on Venmo can also be a double-edged sword. While convenient, it also means that if you accidentally send money to the wrong person or fall victim to a scam, recovering those funds can be difficult or even impossible. Venmo transactions are generally considered final. The reliance on linked bank accounts and cards also introduces a potential point of vulnerability. If your Venmo account is compromised, the linked financial accounts could also be at risk. This underscores the importance of not only securing your Venmo account but also regularly monitoring your bank and card statements for any unauthorized activity. It's also important to understand the limitations of Venmo's intended use. The platform is primarily designed for payments between friends and family. Using it for business transactions, especially without understanding the terms of service, can lead to issues and potentially void any protections offered. So, is Venmo safe to use in 2025? The answer, as with most things in the digital world, isn't a simple yes or no. Venmo has implemented significant security measures, and when used correctly, it can be a convenient and relatively safe way to send and receive money. However, inherent risks exist, and user behavior plays a crucial role in maintaining security. To maximize your safety on Venmo in 2025, here are some actionable steps you can take. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is arguably the single most important step you can take to protect your account. It adds a crucial second layer of security that makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access, even if they have your password. Go into your Venmo settings right now and make sure MFA is turned on. Use a strong, unique password, avoid using the same password for multiple online accounts, and make sure your Venmo password is complex, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can be a great tool for generating and securely storing strong passwords. Be mindful of your privacy settings. Review your payment visibility settings. If you don't want your transactions to be public, ensure they are set to private. Consider limiting your friends list to people you actually know. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or respond to unsolicited emails or messages asking for your Venmo login information or to send money. If you receive a suspicious communication, contact Venmo's official support channels directly to verify its legitimacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.